Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 8T and let me show you how to activate night mode. At first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will be able to activate eye comfort mode. So all you have to do is to mark this first switcher. From now on it is active, and obviously it is better seen on the basic color display, so not the dark dim with black layout, but with the white one, because you'll see the yellow, more yellow or less yellow color here while changing the temperature. But I think you can see it here also. So this is how you can customize it. But also you can schedule your eye comfort mode. To do it, tap on schedule, and here you can pick the activation hour and then the time that it should be turned off. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.